Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in. My name is Bobby. Yeah, Ebony Eyes just went poof. Anyway, I apologize. I'm still sick, not feeling good. Didn't go to the gym today. If I miss my personal trainer day, it's big stuff. And I missed it today. Lord help us. So I'm still trying to get the spreadsheet out to y'all. I am working. Y'all know I'm a little foggy. So it's really, I swear it's all because of the medicines that I'm on. But nonetheless, I got to call my psychiatrist and say, look, dude, this is, I can't live like this in this little state. Whoa. So it's been rough. It's really been rough, but I'm good. I'm tough, baby. I'm the stuff. Oh, let me turn my lights on. I didn't need to turn the lights on. Hold on. So I'm working on the spreadsheet. Hopefully it's out to you today. Now, what do you do in the meantime? If you're using old worksheet, still use the word old worksheet. That's fine. Because you're gonna move all of your trades from that are open anyway into the new spreadsheet. So don't really give it too much worry. So mark it down a little bit today. Good way to start the year, huh? So let's see what our stuff is doing. I got to open all my spreadsheets here. I will say this, I put the screwdriver in the new worksheet, like y'all said, but if you notice it slowing your worksheet down, which I think I may have noticed with mine because it's continually pulling in data from Thinkorswim, then just delete it and just use it separately and open it and close it separately. So we'll get that fixed out, no worry. So I've got it in the new one. So here's my new spreadsheet. I also added the VIX hedge in here so that you'll have the VIX hedge. All right, you have that ready to go. Tell you how much you should buy in VIX calls if you want to use that. Also, kind of cool, on the trade tab, if you have a naked put that has been in the money, not has been in the money, but has been in the trade for 30 days or more, what's this? You get a little close signal. How about that? So I kind of like that. I thought that was cool. Now, what's this? If you've been in a trade that is a short hedge, we don't have any short hedges, do we? Yeah, we do. Which is the short hedge of a black swan hedge. If you've been in that, we're going to put that short on at 90 days. So if you've been in it 60 days, that'll get you plenty of time to get out. And it'll be the same time as or before the long puts. So if you were in those for 60 days or more, you get the nice little closing signal over here on that too. Isn't that cool? So I was real proud to program that in. It was really good. I was going to get the whole line to turn yellow, but in time, maybe. So all you got to do is look at your closing date signal and it should tell you. Why is that? When I got to fix all these little reference problems, we'll fix them. Okay. Let's see what the Tastyworks account is doing. Let's see, Sweet Bobby spreadsheet, screwdriver, master template, open. Here's my ending year. I was looking everywhere to find all my stuff. I say I got so many spreadsheets, Sweet Bobby spreadsheets. I'm still a little foggy. Y'all bear with me. And then let's bring in the IRA one too while we're opening spreadsheets if I can find it. IRA spreadsheet. Oh, help us all. All right, so let's see how our little Tastyworks account is doing. Here it is. We may be down a little bit. So today is January the 3rd. Thank goodness I don't write as many checks as I used to, or we'd be up, still doing 2022 on them. So it looks like we're down a little bit. No Jeffersons. 37, 692, 44. Okay, so we're down a bit to start the year in that one. Okay, that's fine. All right, so let's go over here and look at our Greeks. There we go. Greeks. I appreciate that, Ed. I appreciate that. I'll be back normal sometime. Like I say, I'm gonna call my psychiatrist today and say, look, this stuff has messed me up. You know, number one, I come off of my Domidone, something. And my withdrawal symptoms were so bad that I started it back. But then starting it back is giving me the insomnia. So my watch says that I slept 9 hours last night, but it says I was in deep sleep, 0 hours, no hours. I was in light sleep the whole 9 hours. So it says that I am physically and exhausted. So we'll figure out what's going on. We'll get it taken care of, and I'll be back to my normal self soon. All right, so the Greeks today are 9 deltas and 27 thetas, 9 and 27. Yep. Nine and 27. Okay. So what does that look like? Looks like we're very slow on the theta. Our VIX, is our thing working today? Should be working, shouldn't it? Of course, it ain't working today. So that's fine. Let me figure out what VIX is. Probably 22, 23. Yeah, 23. And our buying power used is 5759. I said it's 5759. Come on here, you old goober. There we go. 5759. So we're only using what, about 12%, 15% of our buying power, and we're blue here. Y'all know what that means, right? We are gonna put on the trade. All right. Now I'm not going to start putting on the Sweet Bobby hedge today until I go back and see if I need to do a 1-2 or a 2-4. So I'm going to go through the analysis hopefully today. And then what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to put on a Sweet Bobby hedge every time that we do our 1-1-1, right? To protect it some while it's going down. Take care of a lot of that tail risk, all or some or all of the tail risk. So let's see if we can remember how to put on our trades. So we're going to go closest to 90 days. Now, remember, that's not 90 days without going over or without going under. You're just going to go the closest to 90 days. So that's 87 days. And I've been selling like the 12 delta, 12 probability being in the money, which is that one. Let me get this strike right here, right? The 13% probability money, 11 delta. All right, let's move it at the mid price. Let's get him in. That's taking $541 of buying power. Got to work him down here. Beautiful. Now what do? We go to the expiration that gives us at least 60 days. Now I know what you're saying, Bobby, would you go with the 56? No, I wouldn't. I'm going to go with that 73 day. And the reason is I want to make sure that I have at least 60 days because my plan is to hold this for 30. And then do another one out here at the conclusion of 30 days and close this after 30 days. So I need at least 60 on this or I'm going to have this unprotected. So I'm going to go to 73. We're going to do a long put vertical, 50 wide. And we're going to move it just like we normally do down to about $10. Beth even gave me a COVID test. I was negative on the COVID test, thank goodness. So we know move that up to 10, get filled there. Boom, boom, chakalaka, boom. We're done. Right? Looking good. What's our little graph look like? We didn't look at our little graph, have we? Make sure we got everything on our little graph here. That's just showing that. So MES, let's see, positions, we got, yeah, see, we've only got those two positions here. So our main stuff is here, MES H3. So that looks like curve analysis. Let's see what our little thing looks like. Beautiful, huh? Make sure I got them all checked here. And it shows 1-3 today. Yeah, so let's look at it. Nice. Looking good. Excellent. All right, looks really good. All right, so let's go and move this out of the way, and let's go to our other two accounts. So that's the Tasty Works. Let's go get the other one. Let's get our little bitty account. That's this one. Now, this is the one that I'm starting the new spreadsheet with, right? So let's see what our net lick is. So I started the year. This is what you'll do too, right? You start your year with whatever it was on the last day of the year. And we go in here and we go 1, 3, 23. And our net lick today is $27,771. 27,771. Dagnabbit. We didn't want to start the year down, but here we go. All right, so we're down $82 from the close of the last of the year. Our Greeks and ratios. Now, what happened here? What happened here? What happened here? Oh, I see. It's funny, right? Because I've started a new spreadsheet, so I've got to go in and delete all of the numbers from the last time. Yeah, that's what it is. Look at that. So I've got to delete the numbers in blue, which is the numbers I've added. Okay. Then we got to delete the VIX stuff. That was where it was open entry, where I was just entering them every day. And we'll delete those. But we don't need this on our new spreadsheet. All right, and then we'll go and delete that. Now I need to get that formula though, don't I? So let's get the formula. Here's the formula. So we'll go Control C and we'll put it up on that top one here. Here. Control V for victory. And then we'll Scooby-Doo that thing down. Go in this little corner, double click. Yeah. It says it's 21. Did it go down? No, I'll check it later. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'll just, we didn't have a trade day yesterday, but to keep my things from looking blank here and all this, what I'll do is I'll say that, it was a similar VIX yesterday on my starting day. And then everything looks good. So then I'll just, probably use my same number from today for yesterday just to, okay. So VIX is there, buying power usage. I'll make the same thing as yesterday. Oh no, this should be this one, 11,131. I don't know. And I got to delete the rest of these, right? Let me delete all this garbage. Okay. Remember, the blue columns are the ones we put stuff in. We got to write in. All right. So I've taken date off. There, that looks better. All right. So let's go get our Greekies here. So in this account, we got, don't count all your T-bills. Oh, it's T-bill Tuesday, isn't it? How about that? So here we've got 32 deltas and 36 theta. 32 deltas, 36 theta. 32 and 36. 32 and 36. Okay. So we're at 0.13 theta. We've got enough theta. How's our buying power doing? Well, let's go see. Our buying power is 7862. Beautiful. So we can be at a max of 35%. So this tells me that even though our theta is good, I can put on another trade. So let's do my conservative deltas, though. I'm a little high on my deltas, aren't I? That's fine. We'll let's put on another trade. 4 and 8 week T-bill option orders just opened up. Good. All right. What was I doing? Got to put on a trade over here. So let's go in here and do our little trade. So at the 87 days, we're going to sell the $3,300. Failed, baby, failed. We're going to go to 73 day and put in our 3530, 3530, 3480. Uh-oh, may not get it for $10. Let's see. Fail me, Jack. Dagnabbit. Markets move. Now let's go up to 10 and a quarter. And we're in. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go to our final account. This one. See what our thing is over here. We're probably down a little bit in this one. 106,891. 106,891. Where's my spreadsheet? There it is. 106,891. Down a little bit in that one. Down $66 in that one. Greeks and ratios. Now it's saying VIX is 22. Okay, we'll take it. So SPY weighted deltas or SPY weighted deltas are 37 and 60. 37 and 60. And our buying power used is 16,568. 16,568. %. So we're cold here, and we're we're low here. Our deltas are getting up, but they're not even close to the 160 conservative delta. I could really put on 2 tranches today, but I think I'm just going to do one. So let's go copy those orders from the other account. So in the Crimson account, we did these 2 field orders. So all you got to do is go, let's do them over here. Create duplicate order, right? Confirm and send. Then change this to the account you want it in. Field. Let's go back to the old account that we already did our orders in. And let's get this field order of the vertical. Create a duplicate order. Confirm and send. Change the account. And send. Fill me, baby. And we're filled. Boom, chakalaka, chakalaka, chaboom. I am done until tomorrow, except for all the work that I've got to do. But on my accounts and my trading, I'm done till tomorrow. There's no reason. How long did that take me? 3 accounts. We started right at probably 12:05. It took me 25 minutes. So that's 3 accounts. That's what I'm saying. If you're trading 1 account, I don't see a reason you can't do this 15 minutes. You got a lunch break every day. That's when you need to do your trades. You don't care if it's a J Powell day. You don't care if it's a Fed day. You don't care if it's a CPI report or a DBI or a PPI or a poo-poo-poo. You don't care. You just do your trade every day based on the information that's above. And then what we're going to start rolling out is we're going to start throwing out the Sweet Bobby hedge along with the thing. So will it take a little more time? Maybe a little. It's not going to take much to put 1 more trade in every day. I just got to figure out the correct ratio. What I want to do, which is probably going to be, it's probably going to be a 1-2 or 2-4.
Can you stick around for a second after this, Bobby?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I'll stick around for our after school session, and everybody on YouTube, I will see y'all tomorrow.